Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add info box in Spectra Page Builder. So guys, here you can see I have created a new page. Then here I want to add info box. Just click on plus button, and after that here you can see these are the elements that you can use in this Spectra Page Builder. So before adding info box, I need to add a new container. Just I can drag it here and I can select the 2-column row. So here I want to add info box. I think I should keep one column. So let me delete a column from here. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add info box in the Spectra Page Builder. So guys, here you can see on this page I have started Spectra Page Builders. So now here I want to add info box. So before adding info box, I need to add a new container. Just I can drag it here. And after that I want to select one column row. Then click on the plus icon, and after that I want to go back, and here you can see info box. So just I can drag it here. And after that now I can change the heading as well as all the options. So if you want to remove this icon, just you can see on the right side, just you can disable it. And after that, if you want to change the content, just you can use the content options. You can also change the content directly from here. This is info box. Then in the same way you can change the description. This is info box description. And then on the top here you can see link options as well as other font style options. Then go on the right side, here you can see alignment options, and then you can select the title tag as well as you can add the separator. Then scroll down, you can add call to action, for example button, and then you can select the button styles. Then scroll down, you can add the button icon as well as you can link the button with any page. Then you can select the icon position before text and after text. Then you can use the preset styles, and then you can go to style tab. So the first option is title. Just you can change the color, and you can see here typography options. So here you can change title size, font family as well as many other options. And then you can add the margin, and then you can customize the separator. You can change the separator color as well as you can change the width, thickness and many more. Then scroll down, here you can see call to action. So you can change the background color. So guys, here you can see how is to add info box in this Spectra Page Builder.